This video is telling you how to write down a beautiful Chinese character. First, let's write down a Chinese character 和 we have learned from last video. First, press down, then longer horizontal, very long vertical. A long press down makes it beautiful. Then short press down, then a short vertical, then horizontal vertical. This is one stroke. Last horizontal, connected to side. This is the Chinese character 和 means and. So today, we will observe the Chinese character 和 and then to tell you how to write down a beautiful handwriting. For the Chinese character 和, then here, there are two radicals here. The first radical means green seedling, 和. The next radical means mouth, 口. We have learned another Chinese word, 嘴巴, that also means 口. This is for writing Chinese character more. So, first, when you look at a Chinese character, you need to know how many radicals are there. So there are two radicals here, right? And then we need to observe the structure. That means the radical. The structure has 2 points. One point is the size, which is bigger, which is smaller. See, the green seedling radical is bigger. The mouth radical is smaller. And then, after the size, we need to observe the position. See, first we write down the radical 和 like this. And then, we write down the mouth radical. We need to observe that the mouth radical almost at the middle of the 和 radical, right? At the middle part of another radical. So after that, after observe the structure, you have the half success for writing a beautiful Chinese character. After the structure observed, we need to observe the stroke. Actually, in Chinese, there are several basic strokes. For example, we have stroke like horizontal hook, vertical hook. We have dot, we have rise, we have press down, we have left press down and right press down. These like the several basic strokes. So when you know the several basic strokes, you need to know the stroke order. The basic principle for writing Chinese character is from left to right. From left to right, for example, left and then right. Right? And then from top to bottom, for example, the Chinese character 2. 1, 2. R. The Chinese character R. We write from top to bottom, right? From left to right. From top to bottom is the very basic principle for writing a Chinese character. Now, let's look at this Chinese character 和. We write from top to bottom, right? Top to bottom. And then from left to right, we write this radical first and then this radical next. So, in summarize, after you write a Chinese character, you need to observe the structure, including the size and the position. And then after structure, you need to observe the stroke, including several basic strokes, how many basic strokes are there. And then what's the stroke order? The stroke order is from top to bottom, from left to right. Okay, this is for the Chinese character video. So everyone, if I don't teach you and then you look at the Chinese character, you need to know how to write down, how to make it more beautiful. So everyone, that's all.